Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix the VirtualBox installed operating system issues for graphics or some other configuration. Let's see how we can fix this thing. So this is a Windows 11 machine which is running on VirtualBox. So this is a virtual computer, and in the back end basically this is the original operating system which is Windows 11 also. Now the problem of this VirtualBox operating system is that if we increase the size, we'll see that it is not aligning properly, or the resolution of this window is not proper, and the mouse movement is not smooth. So in this video I will see how we can fix this thing. So at first we need to access the menus from the VirtualBox. Here we are seeing couple of menus are there. One of the menu is devices. If we click here, then it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose insert guest additions CD image, and then once we click here, then we need to access that folder. So right now we have to access the folder by clicking this folder icon, and then it will bring us this menu, this window, and then we have to choose this PC, and over there we'll see CD drive VirtualBox guest additions. This is the CD, basically it inserted. Just double click, and here you will find a couple of software link is there. One of the thing we need to install is this one, VirtualBox Windows Additions. We just need to double click this thing, and then it will download, it will install the extra software so that we can fix the issue which we are facing, like mouse movement or like graphics of this window. So I'm going to double click, and then it will bring this option. We have to choose yes, and then after that it will bring this installer window. We just need to press next. Then it is asking the location where it will download, like that. We have to press next, then we have to press install button, and it will take few seconds to complete the installation. Once the installation is completed successfully, we might need to reboot the system to see the effect. So till it is installed completely, we will not close anything, or we will not turn off our VirtualBox. See, here it is installed properly, and here it is asking two options. One is reboot now and this reboot later. So I'm going to reboot now, finish, and after rebooting we'll see whether it completed successfully the graphics card installation issue or mouse pointer issue. And if it is working properly, that means it is working properly. So it is right now it is restarting. We need to wait a few more seconds. Once the system is rebooted successfully, then here we are seeing the mouse is moving very smoothly, right? See here the mouse movement is very smooth, and also if we increase or decrease, see here it is adjusting properly. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily fix the virtual computer, the mouse movement issue, and also the graphics card issue. Thanks guys for watching the video.